What's up, YouTube? It's me, Naya, and I'm back with another video. So today is gonna be like a Sunday vlog, like a productive Sunday vlog. Because I need to do like a couple things. I have work I need to finish. I need to make my bed, but I need to vacuum my floor, and then I'm going out to the bank to go put my check-in and going shopping to the store to go get some things. That's really gonna be it for this. But before I get to the video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification button. We're at 793 right now. Super duper happy. Almost at 800. And we're gonna continuously keep growing. So thank y'all. But yeah, brush my teeth and wash my face and stuff like that. I don't know what I want to wear today. Not gonna lie. So yeah, let's do that. Alright, y'all, so now I'm about to finish some work. Right now it's like, what time is it? It's 11 o'clock, so I should finish back like around 11:20. I only have to do like a couple math problems and like color this one sheet, like color like a page, like add like different colors to it. So that's like all I had to do with the worksheet, so it's not like a lot of work. Because I finished half of it in class and I already finished half of it already. So I'm gonna finish this math one first, and then I should be done with everything, and I can just chill because I'm not gonna be doing anything right now. I don't really have nothing to do right now. So yeah, that's really gonna be it. So yeah, if I could, bro, I can never get this password. We're just gonna connect to that one because but yeah, so I'll see y'all whenever I finish doing my work. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so the work is finally complete, thankfully. So now I'm just gonna chill right now. I'm going, like I said, I was going out later. I'll probably start vacuuming stuff like a little bit later since it is still kind of early. So yeah, that's really mainly it. So now I'm about to chill, and get ready for the week and chillax while I have the time, because it's Sunday and my schedule's gonna be busy this week. So yeah, peace. I had them one time. They were kind of good. So they're just like so slimy. That's the only thing about it. They're just like really, really slimy. So you gotta make sure. You see, they're gonna fall. They are gonna fall off. So you gotta make sure they stay on it. Cause if they don't, oh. Y'all, these two. Yay. Time to chillax.